How will you describe yourself in one word?
Thank you very much for that beautiful question. I am more than glad to answer that
Ako
beautiful
naman, dami mo pa sa
question.
kalye. Tingin mo, di ko alam na nag-iisip ka lang ng sagot. Nagpa-buying time ka lang. Sige, nasagutin mo yung tanong.
If I were to describe myself, I would say bamboo. So I can adapt to any situation, I can meet new friends and promote world peace. That will be all. Thank you.
Sandali. Ang sabi ko, describe yourself in one word. One word ba yun? Pabihira. Kung sasamutin na lang, may pasok mo lang na sa ulo mo eh.
Describe yourself in one word daw.
Excuse me, bingi ba yan? Tingin mo, hindi niya narinig yung Bakit kailangan ulitin mo? Sige na.
I can adapt to any situation.
One word nga!
I will change my answer.
Papalitan na niya yung sagot.
Oo nga, narinig ko yan. Bakit kailangan interpreter? Bingi ba ako? Ha? Bingi siya? Bingi ako? Lahat tayo dito, bingi? Oo, naiintindihan ko yun. Sige, one word ang kailangan ko.
Winner! Because I am a winner!
Yes. Thank you.
Winner talaga! Winner! Matapos kang magpaligoy-ligoy ng sagot, matapos mong hindi sagutin ng one word yung tanong ko, tingin mo talaga, magiging winner ka pa? Hiyang-hiya naman ako sa'yo,